Welcome to Personal Branding in less than 5 minutes. My name is Christian Zich and I'm a professor for marketing and sales management at the Deckendorf University of Applied Sciences. By the way, I'm a part-time DJ, music producer and artist. Now let's start. These are the topics for today. In the last session, we discussed intensively the success factors of a personal brand. Today, I would like to show you the components of my personal branding concept. By the way, I love concepts. Why? Because a good concept gives you a practical guideline for your journey into the exciting world of personal brands. Let's start. The most important component of the entire concept is the core identity. With the help of sound approaches, we'll define, analog to product and company brands, your personal brand. In that box, you will find the complete branding toolbox in combination with sound, practical-oriented personality psychology approaches. Not highly complex and theoretical, but easy to use and easy to apply. Let's have a look at the second box, skills and competencies. Without the right skills, without the right know-how and the right competencies, you will not be able to produce high quality and competitive results. Skills, competencies and know-how are the foundation of your personal success. Therefore, we will have an intensive look into the world of HR experts and researchers. You will find so many valuable sources and checklists and tips and all that stuff you need to develop your skill profile, competencies profile, and to get the right know-how to be successful in the future. We will cover these in the future sessions. Next box. As I mentioned in the last session, the most important aspects of a personal brand is the outcome or the results you produce. Or in other words, knowledge is nothing if you do not have the ability to transform your know-how and your skills into real results. In results which are relevant for your job profile or interesting for your target groups. You have to differentiate between standard and differentiating outcomes. Standard outcomes, what everybody knows and what everybody could do, and differentiating outcomes, something special, something exciting for your target groups. We will discuss that intensively in the future. Let's have a look at the last box, promotion and self-marketing. In that box, you will find the entire tool set of campaign management, content marketing, channel management, and of course, search engine optimization, just to name a few. That building block is, from my perspective, an amplifier and a filter at the same time. Why filter? Your content will be filtered with regard to your target group's requirements or expectations. Simply how you will solve your target group's problems and or satisfy their desires. Deliver the right content and sell the right content, develop interesting storylines, and speak the language of your customers. That's the amplifier perspective. Unfortunately, you are not alone in your business. There are two important factors influencing the development of your personal brand. The already mentioned target group and, of course, your competitors. You have to fulfill your target group's requirements and you should meet their expectations. Fortunately, there are lots of tools you could use to become unique and successful. More about these tools in the future sessions. In addition to that, you should be aware of your competitors' results and self-promotion or self-marketing strategies. Apply proven benchmarking techniques, and then you will find your competitors' weaknesses and turn them into opportunities for yourself. That's it for today. Bye bye. See you next time.